Hello, in this video I am going to show an overview of the latest version of Archcraft and some of the applications pre-installed. Archcraft is a minimal rolling release Linux distribution based on Arch Linux. The project provides a graphical user interface using minimal window managers rather than full-featured desktop environments. Archcraft is installed using the Calamares system installer and includes the YA package manager to facilitate fetching software from the Arch user repository. Archcraft uses systemd as its init software and supports BTRFS, ext4, JFS, RicerFS and XFS file systems. For package management, Archcraft uses Pacman. Here you can see the commands to install software from the command line using the Pacman package manager. For self-contained applications, Archcraft uses Snap and Flatpak. Archcraft includes version 5.14.7 of the Linux kernel. Some of the default applications of this release of Archcraft are Vim, Geany, Firefox and Timeshift. Please feel free to tell me what you think of the latest release of Archcraft in the comments section. Thank you for watching the video and please help the channel by sharing, leaving a like and subscribing.